So good morning students. So myself Yadav Reddy, dealing with physical science for class 8th. Children, as usual like last year, this year also, that is 2021 and 22 academic year, we may conduct the classes both online and offline. At present we are conducting online classes as per the Telangana government decisions. So as and when if the schools reopen physically, till that date we are conducting online classes. So children, my humble request is all should take it positively and take it seriously. Don't be absent in any Zoom class or WhatsApp video. You can watch WhatsApp video regularly. Don't be absent from the watching WhatsApp video as well as Zoom class. So it's my humble request. Okay, understand children? So in this year, the first chapter I am going to take it is force. Children, you know very well, we use the term force in our daily life many times. But what is exactly the meaning of force? So what is force, children? So children, simply to do any work, to perform any activity, we have to apply some force on it. So force nothing but, suppose if you want to open the door or if you want to close the door, so you have to keep some force on the door and you have to open or close. So anything, suppose if you want to ride a bicycle, so you have to apply force on the pedals of the bicycle so that the bicycle can move, otherwise the bicycle cannot move. So like that, so what is exactly the meaning of, scientific meaning of force? The scientific meaning of the force is pull or push. Pull or push are both of an object. Pull or push. So pull or push are both is called force. So force can change the state of motion and shape of the object, children. Suppose children, I'll tell you, suppose imagine the duster is here. Okay, dust is here. Suppose it is now rest position. Without applying some force on this duster, the duster cannot displace from this place to another place. So I have to apply some force on it. I can lift it and I can place some other place. So here what happens? State, the motion, state of the object changed, or motion of the object changed, or force can bring the change the shape of the object, change the shape of the object, children. So anything. So if you want to stop your bicycle, so you have to apply the brakes with the help of a force. Without force you cannot apply the brakes. So anything, if you are riding a car or if you are riding a bike, definitely you have to apply some force to make it to stop. Or at the same time, to accelerate, you have to apply some force on the accelerator so that the vehicle can move. So force nothing but pull or push or both. And also force can change the state of motion and shape of the object. Children. So there are two types of forces. The two types of force are there. They are contact force and second one is field force or force at a distance. Contact force or field force or force at a distance, children. Or force at a distance. Okay. So now, what is contact force, children? What is contact force? We can, so many examples we can take. So contact force, for example, children, small example I will give you. Suppose you want to take out toothpaste from tooth tube. Okay, paste tube. How you will take out? Generally you hold the tube, paste tube, and if you press it, the toothpaste will come out from the mouth of the toothpaste tube. So here what happens? Direct physical contact between the toothpaste tube and your hand, so that the paste will come out from the toothpaste tube. Okay, so here physical contact is there. So what is exactly the meaning of contact force means force which results when there is a direct physical contact between two interacting objects. Between two interacting objects is called as contact force. So direct contact with the children. Direct contact is there. Okay. Direct contact is there between the toothpaste tube as well as our hand, so that the paste will come out from the toothpaste tube. Okay. So this is the contact force. There are so many other examples for the children. So what are examples? For example, see muscular force. Force of friction. So muscular force. You have the children here. Muscular force, force of friction, normal force, and tension. And these are the few examples for contact force. So let us see what is muscular force, children. Muscular force, nothing but the force which we exert by our body. Which we exert by our body is called muscular force. It's called muscular force. The force which we exert by our body using our body muscles is known as muscular force. Okay. Now force of friction means what, children? You know very well. Simple example I will give you. Force of friction means, for example, if you roll a ball on the floor of the surface of the floor, now the ball moves slowly up to certain distance and it comes to an halt. Why? The ball which is rolled on the surface of the floor has come an halt. The reason is that force of friction. The friction is the force which opposes the motion of the objects. The friction is the force which opposes the motion of the object is called force of friction. Because of this reason, any object which is moving on the floor moves at a distance and comes to an halt by itself due to force of friction. Due to force of friction, children. Okay. Now, what is called normal force? Children, you know very well normal force. Normal force, nothing but the force which acts opposite to the gravitational force, children. Opposite to the gravitational force is called as normal force. Suppose if an object is placed on the table, the object do not falls down. Because the object was supported by the table in which the object was kept. So here the object is pulled by the gravitational force of the earth. At the same time, the other force which act opposite to the gravitational force, which both are opposite and equal is called normal force, children. It's called normal force. So normal force is always opposite to the gravitational force. Opposite to the gravitational force. This is called normal force. And tension. The tightness of the string is called tension, children. The tightness of the string is called tension. So these are the few examples for contact force. Because in all these examples, physical contact is there between two interacting objects. So it is called as contact force. So I repeat, contact force, nothing but the force which results when there is a direct physical contact between two interacting objects is called contact force. And the example for contact force is, you know very well, muscular force, and of course force of friction, normal force, and tension. These are the examples for contact force. Now let us see what are the examples. Now what is called field force or force at a distance, children. Field force or force at a distance. Children, you know very well. Field force or force at a distance, nothing but, you know very well, the force which occurs without any physical contact between two objects. The force which occurs without any physical contact between two objects is called force at a distance or field force. For the example for field force are, children, magnetic force, gravitational force, and electrostatic force, children. So what is called generally magnetic force? Children, see, magnetic force nothing but, suppose, see, the force which occur, the gravitational force or magnetic force, electrostatic force are kind of non-contact force or force at a distance.